To install your wired vehicle tracker, begin by removing the dashboard to access the install location. Access to the desired install location is unique to each vehicle. You may find the steering wheel needs to be down and out, and cables need to be removed to get the best access. If you do remove any cables, please note where they will be going back in. Set the dashboard cover on top of the dash out of the way, and remove the cluster and set it aside out of the way so you can access a good install location for the device. Be sure to record the device information, including serial numbers and activation codes, before you install the device. These may be needed later for activation. Please note it is best to install the device in a spot that is as high as possible. We don't want it to be under any metal. We want to find the spot that is least physically inhibiting. Secure the device using the supplied zip tie. You may need to use additional zip ties depending on your installation location and cable routing. Before you get too far with the wiring, bring the cluster back to test the fit with the device installed. Be sure the device installation and cable routing does not impact proper operation of the vehicle. The tracker will need constant and switched power for operation. You will need to locate connection points for constant and switched power, such as the fuse panel or vehicle wiring. Once the device is installed and wired in, gather the extra cables, zip tie them together, and tuck them under the dash up and out of the way. You are set. That is how you install your wired vehicle tracker.